This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix mobile legends not working on data from iPhone. So if your mobile legends working properly on Wi-Fi, but whenever you turn on your data, your mobile legends not working, just follow the simple solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is check your internet. Open a browser and simply open a website. If your website opened, it's mean your mobile data working properly. And if the website not opening, then open your control center and enable airplane mode for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes disable airplane mode and then check the issue. And the second solution is go to settings, tap on mobile or cellular data, tap on mobile data options, voice and video. If your SIM supports 5G, 4G, then select 4G or 5G. Tap on back, disable low data mode, tap on back, tap on network selection, enable automatic, tap on back. Now tap on mobile data network. Now reset settings, reset. Once done, check the issue. And the last and final solution is reset all settings. General, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix your mobile legends not working on data issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.